Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. Thank you so much for being patient with me because my filming has been very delayed. I haven't been uploading as usual. I like to upload at least 2 to 3 videos a week, but I have been not so consistent. Work, kids, and school. That's all I can say. So for today's video, I know it is past Valentine's Day. I've had this box sitting in my front area of my house for about 3 weeks now. Yes, 3 weeks, and I am now getting around to filming this. So what am I talking about? I am talking about the Jeffree Star Valentine's mystery box. I am finally unboxing this. I know I'm late, but the reason why I really want to unbox this in front of the camera is, number one, I haven't seen any previews except for people who had thumbnails of the mirror. So I do know that there's a mirror that comes in this box. Second, I tend to get a lot of repeats. So I wanted to make sure that if I did, I hosted another giveaway to give back to you guys. My Blood Money palette has already been shipped off, and thank you so much, Jen, for participating, and I really hope that you enjoy that palette. So let's see what I get, and let's see if there's a giveaway coming up. So let's open this bad boy up. Always open with tweezers, some really dull tweezers, so please don't mind that. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Okay, so we get a little card that is Jeffree Star presenting his skin care that is coming out. And just before filming this, I just watched that video and I cannot wait to buy his skincare.
You don't have enough skincare?
No. Okay, so the first item that we get here is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics open here for nude. So this is like the nude palette. So wow,
that's not a palette.
I said palette, I meant liquid lips. So this is what you get here, you guys. So I probably have every single shade of these. Why? Because I got the nude Vault collection. So what should I do here?
You should give it to me. No, I don't like them. You should give half to Iris and half a giveaway.
So let me think about this one because I think I have a family member that will probably want this. If not, could be in a future giveaway. I will announce everything later, okay? The second item here is a Supreme Gloss in the color Improper. No, I do not. So this is like a purpley tone, nude.
It's all over your sweater.
What is all over my shirt? Brianna just totally caught that. What is up with my shirt? What did I get into? So anyway, so here you go. Let me go ahead and give her a swatch for y'all. Bri, you want to be my swatching arm?
Yeah. This way.
Okay. Let's do this. Ooh, that is a very nice purple. Let me put some on now.
Over your lipstick?
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Sticky?
That is pretty. Now, smell these.
I don't smell anything.
Then you got COVID.
It smells like chocolate.
This is really pretty. I really like these Supreme glosses because they're not sticky. They're not too sticky. And they smell so good. And they're very pigmented. So I really like this formula. And if you know me, I'm not very much a gloss person. But I've been wearing his Supreme glosses. And they're beautiful. Okay. Ooh, looks like we get some single shadow. Okay. So I just opened these up. So here's the first one. Razor Blade, Divine Intervention. Sorry guys of the glare. I'm filming right in front of my window. 1985. And Private Island. This is your nude. Okay, the next item. What is this? Oh, this is the LED selfie light. He did mention this in his video. He did give us a sneak peek of this. This is so cool.
No. Can I have your pig then?
I don't have a pig. This is a selfie light.
To clip to your phone?
Uh-huh.
Put it on your phone.
So, you put it on your phone. How do you turn it on?
On the side. Is it even charged? Oh, it's really yellow.
Okay, he has different settings. There you go. I don't want to blind you guys, but hey, that looks really cool. Love this. Look, it brings a little charger too. Okay, you get, looks like you get a shirt. I love getting, ordering the mystery boxes with shirts or something because I like his shirts. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty.
Heartbeat?
Okay, so there's the front logo right there, but then you have the back and it says Heartbreaker. So the next one is this one. And I think this is his like face palette that he says is an exclusive item. Yep. It's called Heartbreaker. Ooh.
No, Mama, no.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
It never freaking fails.
You did that with the light.
I do it with everything. Did I break the mirror?
I can't wait for the slow-mo on that.
Okay, this is the palette, you guys. So these are not very wearable highlighters. This is a Skin Frost highlighter palette. But, I mean, maybe this one, the Single Forever. This shade right here. But then the other two I could use as eyeshadow toppers. So let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys. I rarely swatch just because I'm so anal about ruining my palettes. Those first two right there, I could probably get away with, but not that last one. Okay, so the next item we have here is the gloss. So it's a gloss. These are different from the Supreme glosses. And the color you get is Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. Oh, wait, is this a clear one again? Yep, I do not want to take this out of the packaging. So this will go in a giveaway. The next one we have here is Heaven's Gate, which is another gloss. And I think I have this one as well. Okay, guys, so those were definitely repeated shades. Here is the clear one. So I have this one already in my collection. And then here is Heaven's Gate. I remember getting these in previous boxes. So these are definitely repeated shades. So I'm going to put these in a giveaway. The next item is full coverage, long wearing, anti-aging property. Magic Star. Okay, so this is a color corrector concealer in yellow. So this one I don't own. I do have 2 or 3 of his concealers, which I really like, but I do not have any of his color correctors. So this one, we will definitely give it a try. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Okay, actually, shit, that's like really yellow, like orange. So we'll see how well this is going to work. Okay, we get a palette, which is Orgy, which this is probably the 3rd palette that I get in a mystery box. My other one I gave to Iris, my oldest daughter, and so now I have a giveaway palette. So here we go, guys. Oh, I missed one more of the single shades. This one is in Freak Show, so it's like a dark purple shade. I like this one. So remember that all of these shades I think already are a part of palettes, so I do already own every one of his palettes, so those are kind of repeat shades for me, but it's okay. We get a Velour Liquid Lip next, and this one is in Strawberry Gum. And this one I am going to give to Brianna. She comes into my room almost every night to grab some of my scrubbies from my own collection. So I'm going to give this to Bri. These smell delicious and you can eat them even though I wouldn't. Okay, one of my favorite lipsticks in Celebrity Skin. This is a Velvet Trap. There you go. Celebrity Skin Velvet Trap. This is a beautiful, beautiful formula. I will go ahead and throw a picture up here. I already own this one as well. The next item is a Velour Liquid Lip in Cutthroat Love. I don't know if this is an exclusive shade, but I do not believe I own this one. Yeah, I think this is an exclusive shade. That's a beautiful red color. Give her a swatch. I love that. The next item is a Velour Liquid Lip in Calabasas. I already own this, but I am going to keep it because this is one of my favorite shades. And so I will go through this pretty quickly. So that is what it looks like. That is the shade right there. And let me go ahead and give her a swatch for you guys. Right there. It's a beautiful shade, and like I said, I already own this one, but I will go through it, so gotta back up. Okay, guys, and last but not least is the mirror. I knew there was a mirror coming because he presented it like this in his video. Very cute mirror. This is so cute. Sorry, I don't want to blind you guys. So it says Heartbreaker, and that's what it looks like. So yes, that is it, you guys. We are done with the Valentine's mystery box unboxing. I apologize that I did it a little late, but hey, if you watch it, thank you so much. I appreciate it. These are fun for me. I get excited. Let's get to the giveaway. I am going to give away the Orgy palette. This is what that looks like. I don't want to unwrap it because I want to keep it as sanitized as possible. So this is what the Orgy palette looks like. Beautiful, neutral, matte shades. A matte lover's dream. I'm going to add the 2 glosses as well. The Let's Be Clear. Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. And then Heaven's Gate. These 3 items will be in my giveaway, okay? All you have to do is be subscribed. Give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Please make sure that you are leaving a comment and that you are subscribed so that you guys can get a chance to be entered into this giveaway. I love doing these giveaways. I hope you guys enjoy that I am doing these giveaways and I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.